Well, I've finished my tire changer here. Several videos that I posted on it, on the development of it. But when I started this, the goal was to build a simple do-it-yourself tire changer that made changing a touring motorcycle tire easy. The tool that I came up with here, there's no metal that needs to touch the tire. It won't nick the pretty little rims. There's a lot of metal, but you might hear a lot of clinking around if you listen to the video. But everything that touches the wheel, excuse me, not the tire, but everything that touches the wheel is non-metallic. This is nylon duck head, whatever this is, nylon here. None of it mars the wheel. In the video, I'll show demounting a worn rear tire. The tire came from my son's Harley Fat Bob motorcycle. It's a rear tire. I'll show pulling that one off. Then we'll be mounting a brand new Dunlop Elite 4 tire, 180 by 70 R16. This tire in the shop are at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no goofing around with running a hairdryer in the tire, sticking the tire outside. It's November outside, it wouldn't have helped any anyways. So everything was acclimated to 65. For my son, it was the first tire that he installed, so they could get an idea how simple this is. So like I said, I've accomplished my task here. Next steps for me are to build a better bead breaker. I'm not pleased with what I have, but that should be, maybe I'll make a video of that if it is meets my expectations. For the demount tire changer here, my next thing I think I'll do with that is to test the limits of the machine itself. You can handle up to a 22-inch diameter wheel. I've got a wheel in mine. It's a 19.5 inches. It's should, if it can meet and allow me to install that one, I'll be really pleased. That's a heavy tire. It's 80 pounds, just the tire itself. I'll be pleased. See if this stuff can actually tolerate that much force putting that tire on. But again, I am comfortable with this. If you see something that I'm missing here that would make it even easier, feel free to make a comment. Got a question on it? Go ahead, ask a comment. All these parts that you see, most of it was all the blue that you see. That was extra steel from other projects I had. Very little did I have to buy. But let me know. I'd be happy to respond to any questions. Thank you.
Forcing it into the far one, then bring it down, and it's perfect, right?
Right there.
Yes. We just have to
Tighten this guy in.
tighten it up. Yes. That one is already in, and that one just needs to be tightened up, and it'll go right into it.
I got that.
Oh, that's really good. Did you try the rod? Perfect. All right. So now, if you look in here, we can see that we're off a little bit.
Right.
So back this guy off just a tad.
Okay.
And then put this guy in.
Okay.
push it, the wheel this way. It's pretty good, isn't it?
I think it's about center.
All right. And then we just kind of snug them up a little bit at a time
Okay.
and watch that we stay centered. Yep. And it's just snugging them down as we go along. We want them tight because we're going to put quite a bit of force on this guy.
Okay. This one needs to go tighter.
Okay. They're just slightly tight right now. Looks like we can shove it that way, just a tad of it had to go anywhere, huh? Of course, then there's enough slop in that bar that we don't have to worry too much about it.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is just sort of hand tighten. Right? I'm not using the full 12 inches of the wrench, is what I'm saying.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's pretty snug.
Yep, and I don't. You can try to twist it, but I
I
don't
think she's
know.
pretty well attached.
Okay, goes on there. This is our lever arm that we needed when we need it. This actually can float up and down. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Thing that I wanted to try was, what we're going to try to do is get, we can use this plastic thing here to shove the opposite side of the tire down into the drop center.
Okay.
Or that, what I wanted to do is to see if I can use these clamps here. You get a lot more force out of this, right?
You're
You can
right.
see how it sucks right down in there?
Yep.
I don't know if it'll stay that way when you start putting some torque on it,
Find out.
but it gives you, this tool, when it goes around, it's going to want to pull it, suck that guy in,
Gotcha.
right? So it'll suck him in. And as it picks it up, because you need the tire in the drop center, else you never get it off, right? When these experts were talking about the drop center, I didn't know what the heck they were talking about. So a little lube is better than no lube. So the two tools we need. Hey Joe, go on. There's a wooden stick here. That keeps it from coming up. This tool here goes on the tire and then it grabs the, let's see, this guy should be in a little bit deeper. There we go. There you go. Right?
Okay. So that gives you a surface to pry against. It's not the rim. Okay.
Yeah. This guy here keeps the tire from walking back down, otherwise it will walk back down. Now the only reason I can see not, there we go, that's perfect. Right?
Right.
That's a good tire knicker, wheel knicker.
Mm-hmm.
So we keep it over there. And this guy here, if I pull, see if you can see that. You can see how it's
Yep.
picking up the tire.
Yep.
and it's just gonna pop right up. So this guy here, he's no longer needed. We'll pull him out of the way. There you go. First tire off, side off.
All right.
All right. Now, the second one's the same way. We're gonna try to keep him on. Bring that guy all the way around. And then get rid of it for the time being. Now what I'm going to do is take some of that tire lube and catch the other side, which I didn't do yet. I'm getting the, because of this gear, I can't get the tool quite in there. Put that wood in here. I'm not sure I need it on this one, but sorry. Let's come right back down. Hang on that guy for me.
Okay.
Okay, pull him out.
Pull it out?
Yeah. There we go. Got it? Okay. Yeah. But he's off right now. So this touring tire is very stiff, but the worst thing we had here was trying to get the
Bead broke on
the
it.
bead broken. Pulling it off was not a big deal.
Scuzz in there.
Yeah, we're gonna clean that crap off. Free?
Free.
Well, that valve stem I have might be the right one.
Think so?
Yep.
You're in.
All right, tighten her up. Good.
Good.
And they seem to really, that wheel didn't turn on us at all.
It
Yeah.
held firm. I was just working getting under the bead and getting around that flywheel gear or whatever.
Yeah, what I, all right. So put that on top there and pull the lid on there. So I don't remember. But this thing here, we can take it and we can just, oh, this will flop on by itself.
Yep. Sliding on.
Used tire. It won't do that with that new one.
No.
All right, we're recording.
All right, soaked up. Soaked up. Got our valve mark.
We just spin around and you can look at that. There you go. So I prefer to put my belly into the,
Okay.
there you go, put it down that way and then give it a little.
Go.
Oh, that was too simple.
I got enough belly.
That was too simple.
All right.
just so it gives it a chance to slide over the rim, because that's the side that's really gonna.
Okay.
It's not the aluminum.
Yep. Should do.
Then you got, put it all the way around the outside, on top.
Oh.
Just the area that's on the bead surface there, because that rubs against the duckbill and everything.
Okay, so the tool will move a little bit easier.
Yeah.
All right.
Say, don't be afraid of using lube. What we can do is take a little,
Right on the tool?
yeah, put it on the duckbill a little bit. Exactly the same thing.
I think so. You want it to slide, so.
Everybody's looking.
Okay.
All right. We should go dead center.
Okay. Plug it. In.
This will drop all the way down, so just don't let it hit the bench.
Gotcha.
Then this slides. Bring it up a little bit, or bring it, pull that out. Pull this out.
All right.
That's probably a little tight.
It's on the bench behind you.
Oh, got him. Okay. We're gonna tighten it up this time.
Okay.
Don't think we did last time.
Nope.
So. There you go.
Right there.
Okay. We'll just.
All right.
All right.
That guy. You got your camera going?
Yep.
Okay. So we just want to get this in here.
Yeah. I don't know if that's. This guy's up down. This guy's should be down.
So.
Maybe foot now. Just wedge him down tight.
There.
Okay. There you go.
Good.
Not down. Okay. Oh. It didn't get quite in here, so you're gonna have to. Have that again.
There we go.
Yep, now it's in. Need a little coaching. There you go, it's all on.
Okay.
Okay, pull that yellow thing out.
Okay.
I take this guy. There you go. Done.
Done.
Perfect. I'm not gonna. So I think it helps you to remember to tighten that guy down. Right? Now don't jostle the beads around.
Okay. So we're a little bit off from where.
We should be able to just give it a little spin.
There we go.
That's the benefit of having a good clamp.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.